Ladies and gentlemen, we interrupt this program to bring you important news.
Zm18 all metal handgun, 6mm. Let's take a look. Really good size gun. You can see it feels, my hand feels very good, weighty. Things to note, has a plastic mag and a plastic trigger, but the rest of it is metal. The grip each side is plastic as well, but everything else, internals, really well put together. Let's load the mag. So simply just pull down the spring, hold the spring in position and fill them up. You can pour them in if you like. Okay, just put a few in for now. Pop that into the gun. Really good distance, although a few parts of it are plastic. Really good distance. Okay, let's try hit the post. Very close. Second shot, hit the post. Yeah, pretty accurate. Good power, very, very good distance. For an inexpensive gun, all metal apart from a few bits of plastic, this is actually very good. And we're out of ammo. I only put a few in. Great, take a look, it's on the website now.